Shot clock, fire it up, turn it on. Will Rivers ever play in a Super Bowl? He's a great quarterback, and I know they had a couple 13-3 and a 14-2 regular season, but couldn't get it done in the playoffs. To me, full marks. He played on a torn ACL, MCL, whatever it was, in the AFC title game to the Patriots. LT left that game, couldn't play with an injury as well. No, you still have Roethlisberger and Brady. I believe Brady when he says he'll play another 3-4 years, so it's not going to happen. They could make the playoffs this year, but it's not going to happen for Rivers. Had his opportunity, windows closed, and 36 years old now. It's unfortunate it's what happened with his career. Great quarterback. Maybe has a couple years left, but he's not going to get to a Super Bowl. That's a no.
I will argue the other side of this and say, yes, Phillip Rivers will ever play in a Super Bowl. Maybe this year. Who's great in the AFC? Nobody. Nobody. You look at the Patriots as vulnerability. You look at the Steelers as vulnerability. You look at the quote-unquote elite franchises. Chargers, talent-wise, can compete with any of these squads. Rivers, an A-plus level QB, and from all indications, an A-plus level human being. This is a loaded roster. The coaching staff is solid. Might be this year for LA, but I say Rivers does get to a Super Bowl. I think he plays long enough until he gets there, but it might be this year. Lots of upside with Phillip Rivers and the LA Chargers. Like the show? Help us keep the lights on. Please make sure to comment, share, and subscribe to all the Sportsbook Review videos. Thanks so much. Best of luck. Enjoy the games.